values. So ang sa West Philippine Sea, wala akong kulay, walang religion, walang race, no? So lahat po tayo kaisa dito sa usapin ito. And with that, we holding, other than itong mga mural natin, we are holding a vloggers conference, no? Yung mga vloggers natin, inaanyayahan natin sila na bisitahin itong mga mural, talk about it, no? And of course, ma-explain din nila, no, kung ano yung mga perspective nila on these artworks. Over and above that, we also have a contest for vloggers, and pwede natin silang dalhin sa West Philippine Sea sa Pag-asa Island. So they will be going to Pag-asa Island sometime this week and talk about how they feel, no, being there at the West Philippine Sea area, and of course, lalabas yung kanilang patriotismo at nationalismo. Over and above that, no, meron din tayong campaign to ask every Filipino to display the flag come 10th year of our orbital bid. So napakalaki nito, no, we are celebrating 10 taon ng ating victory in the orbital routine. So dapat po pamahalagahan natin ito. And ang isa pang campaign natin, inaanyayahan natin ang ating mga kagabayan to display yung patriotism nila through their profile photos from Orbital Day Anniversary. No? Ang hinihiling natin is kung ang ibang nasyon, ganito magpa-picture or ganito magpa-picture, kapag ikaw ay Pilipino, WPS o W sa ating puso. So West Philippine Sea, atin ito. Salamat.
Thank you.